In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your website talk to your customers. So this website of yours will have an orb that will be able to talk to the customers, answer their questions and everything. It will be a very interactive experience for your customers because they can just come to your website and then they can click on this orb and it will be able to answer all the questions based on the data that you have on your website or the additional knowledge base or everything that you provide. So with that said, let's jump into building this thing. So as you can see, this is the example of a website that, or the orb that you might have if you build everything correctly and you follow me. And yeah, so let's just test this. If I click on this, hello.
Hi, this is your AI assistant calling on behalf of your company. Is this a good time to have a conversation?
Yeah, this is a great time to have a conversation.
Great, thank you for your time. Could you please let me know your name?
Yeah, sure. My name is Fahad.
Nice to meet you, Fahad. I'll be happy to provide information
As you can also
about the
see, there
service.
is feedback from the voice. So whatever I'm saying, this orb is pulsating based on the feedback from the volume of the AI assistant. So you can also expect this effect. And to be honest, it's very cool orb. If you click on it, it just wiggles. And yeah, so that's enough. Now let's just directly get into building this. So you will go to your GoHighLevel account and inside the builder that you have, the GoHighLevel builder. Um, so to show you guys from scratch how it would look like. Yeah, by the way, this website is on GoHighLevel. If you don't know what GoHighLevel is, it's like all-in-one CRM platform that literally you can use to start your AI agency, in my opinion, at least. So this is how it looks like. Like you can have like multiple sub accounts, so you can manage all your clients from here. So personally, in our AI agency, we use GoHighLevel, but yeah, the links are in the description if you want to check out. So yep, this one. And we'll click on websites and then website, and then whichever website it is, you will click on that and you will click on edit. So click on edit and then something like this will open up. Now this orb, right, I'm gonna remove this for now. So I'm gonna delete it, or I'll just remove the code from here so it will be blank. I'll show you from scratch how you can add this orb yourself. So it won't look like this, it will be very different. Then you have to like use custom CSS code to change it. So as you can see, now there is nothing. So how we will add it? First you will head over to Vapi AI. So again, link will be in the description. If you write Vapi, it will be like this. So vapi.ai. We'll go here, and first thing we will do is go to the dashboard and click on assistant. And here we will click or here we will create an assistant for the website, right? So here I have an example assistant. The prompt is very simple. It's like it's a role-playing assistant. So I do have to make some changes here as well, but for the sake of simplicity, I'll just leave it to this. You can also use their generate section to, change this prompt as per your liking. So let me read. Or maybe I'll try to explain what I want from the prompt. So I want, you know what, we can just create a new assistant. So click on create assistant and you can select from these, but I'm gonna just use a blank template and click on create assistant. Now in this blank template, we are just going to use their generate like AI, and it will generate for us. So we want to create an AI assistant to be on our website and talk to the customers. You know what, I'm gonna use a notepad to write it properly. Prompting is a skill, and I would say a lot of people take it lightly, but it shouldn't be. We want to create an AI assistant to be on our website and talk to customers, talk to potential shell customer. context, this website is a funnel to give a demo of our AI voice assistant. Okay, task. Give a demo of our AI voice assistant, and this assistant assistant. Okay, the demo is role playing, where the AI assistant will act as a receptionist for the leads in users company. Playing. Also, after the conversation, it should, so if the conversation is over, the AI assistant should have the knowledge of our own company as well to resolve any questions that these leads might have about our SIS. Example steps. The AI introduces itself, then says that this call is going to be a role playing call. Second, the AI assistant starts the role playing and then continues based on the conversation, and then end the call lightly. Role playing call where the AI will be a receptionist on behalf of the leads or users company. So I think this is pretty good. Like this is enough. Answer the prompt there. It's generating. Alright, so looks pretty good to me. Okay, assistant speaks first. The settings, if you have particular settings in mind, you can change it. But 4O mini cluster is pretty good for this. If you want to increase the quality of the AI agent, the first thing you would do is not change the prompt, but actually you will just upgrade the model. So here we have GPT-4o mini cluster. Just upgrade it to GPT-4o cluster. That's it. It's gonna massively improve the quality of your AI agent. So files, if you want to provide any kind of knowledge base, you can do so by giving files. Let me see if we have an option to connect our directly our website. That will be much more better, you know. I don't think so. We have something like this. All right. Okay. All right, no worries. This is enough. Our agent is ready. Name it YouTube or demo. So let's just publish this. Let's try to talk with it and see how it's performing. Hello. Why? There was an error. Again, for voices and everything, you can select whatever you want. Lately, I've realized that these Vapi voices, like the voices that Vapi has created itself, they are pretty good. Like, there is so much likeness to how a human speaks in these voices. So yeah, you can use them. Transcriber, I've heard Assembly AI is the best one right now, so we'll just use that. For voices, just let's use Vapi AIs. And now I think let's just try to talk with it. For some reason we are unable to talk with it, but anyway, we will be able to talk. Hello.
Oh,
Hello. You can also
hello,
see the
I'm your virtual
conversation
assistant
here.
today. This.
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Thank you. As I mentioned, I'm here to conduct a role-playing exercise where I will act as a receptionist for your company. This will help you explore typical tasks and responses in a receptionist scenario. How may I assist you today? Would you like to simulate a call or manage inquiries?
Let's simulate a call. My company name is Origin XAI, and I want you to act as a customer service or
Great choice.
sales agent or assistant.
Understood. Let's start the simulation. Ring, ring, receptionist. Thank you for calling Origin's Eye. This is your virtual receptionist speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hey, I was wondering about your services. What do you provide?
Thank you for your inquiry. At Origin's Eye, we specialize in advanced AI solutions that enhance business processes and streamline operations. Our services include AI-powered analytics, machine learning models, and tailored consulting to help integrate AI
Yeah.
effectively into.
Okay, so it's pretty good. Definitely, it can be improved, and with GPT-4 or mini cluster, it's performing this good. So now, what we have to do is take this agent from here, from Vapi AI dashboard, and put it on our website. So how we'll do it? First, we need to go to their documentation. So here you see it's written docs. Just click on it. Here we'll click on documentation. Here it says web call. So just click on that. Now you are in web call, right? Now, all we have to do is yeah, this voice widget implementation, right? So you will just have to copy this. So we copied that. Now we'll go back to our website builder. So here we are. Here we don't have anything yet. We'll go to our website builder, and I'm gonna just delete this as well. And here, what we are going to do is we are going to add an element. So the element is this container that's in orange. So I'm gonna just click on add and search code here. We'll add the code, and I'm just gonna shift it upwards. And now open this code editor and just paste that code right here. Save it and save it again. By the way, you can add this code. It says this HTML script tag on any website builder, Framer, Webflow. I think most of the website builder will be compatible. So we saved that. Now we'll go here. As you can see, we have this nice looking orb here. That's not that great, to be honest, but it's good. It's something that's that works. And yeah, now to make it actually work, you have to replace two things. First, the assistant ID. So the way you will get your assistant ID is go back to your Vapi dashboard. And here it says the name of your assistant, and below that is your assistant ID. So we'll copy this and paste it. I'm gonna do it off camera, so that I don't have to delete this. I might use it for future videos as well. So this is how you get your assistant ID. Now we will get the API key. So for API key, you can clearly see it's written here Vapi API keys. You go there, and where it says this public API key, just copy this right here. If you don't have, you can add it. You copy this ID and you go back to your agent, oh sorry, website builder, and here you will paste this, just that, and then it will be live. So I'm gonna pause the video and do it off camera. Okay, so I pasted my API key and the assistant ID. Now I'll save it and we'll look at the website once again. By the way, if I click on this right now when I haven't pasted or used my API keys, it will just load forever and won't work. Now if I open this with my keys and I click here, as you can see, it turned on the microphone and hello.
Hello, I'm your virtual assistant today. This interact.
It's working. Now, how do we make this beautiful? So a couple of things you can do. First, you can just go here and we have customization or CSS, how you can write the CSS for this widget from Vapi AI. You can use that. Wait, I need to show you that. So let's just how to customize the CSS of the web call widget. It will point us to the right documentation. I don't want to find it right now. So as you can see, you can use these like .vapi this right here to customize the buttons and everything. So wait, let me just, okay, here, as you can see, this is the custom styling. What you can do if you are really good in writing CSS, you can just like change this and you can grab the elements based on like ask this GPT right here. But what I did is I just copied this code, this one, the main code that actually makes the widget integrate with our website, and I copied this custom styling code and I pasted both of those codes inside ChatGPT and I prompted it to generate me this orb code. So okay, I'll just show you the code. So this is the code, by the way. I cannot show it fully because it has my assistant ID. So what we can do, I've already told you how you can generate this code using ChatGPT. In case you are not able to, just give me a follow on Instagram and send me a DM on Instagram. I'm gonna send you this CSS code, exact CSS code, so that your orb will also look like mine. But mine is not that great looking, so that's why I said like you can follow this step. I already told you how, and you can prompt GPT to produce you the CSS code. So assuming you are good at prompting, so if you are good at prompting, the better way would be to just give this to GPT, both of these codes, and have it produce you the code for customized styling for your widget or the whatever it is. Now, if you are good at CSS coding, then you can just use that. But anyway, those are two ways you can do it. Now I'm gonna just copy this entire code, go to my website builder right here. Right now the orb or widget looks like this. I will convert it into an orb. So here I'm gonna just change the agent ID so that we can have the agent that we created on this website and we can talk to that particular agent. So I'm gonna do that and come back. So I pasted the agent ID that we just created in this code. Now our widget should change from this to something like this. Now you can see it's pretty cool. You can enhance it even more if you have very good foundation in designing. So unfortunately I don't, so it looks like this, and I think it's pretty good for testing purposes. Now we are going to give it a final test. What will happen is when I will click it, it will wiggle just so slightly to give an effect that okay, it is clicking, and then when the AI system will talk, it will pulsate, and that will give the feeling of, you know, the volume going up and down. So yeah, let's give it a final test. Hello.
Hello, I'm your virtual assistant today. This interaction will be a role-playing exercise where I will act as a receptionist for your company. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so my company name is Origin X AI. You have to role play as a customer service or a sales agent for my company. And yeah, let's go.
Thank you for sharing that. I'll role-play as a customer service or sales agent for Origin X AI. Receptionist, good day. Thank you for calling Origin X AI. This is his assistant's name. How may I assist you today?
Hey, what services do you guys provide? Do you create AI voice assistant?
Thank you for your inquiry. At Origins I, we specialize in developing advanced AI solutions, including AI voice assistants tailored to.
If I click it again, it will stop and it will wiggle just so slightly. And I think it's pretty good. So yeah, that was pretty much it. So if you want this exact code, just follow me on Instagram and send me a DM. I'm gonna send it to you. And yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.